Functions are pretty simple, you just take a number and transform it. Except it doesn't have to be a number, you don't have to transform it, and it's not that simple. But we all have an intuition for how they work. Input X, output Y. But this video isn't just about functions, it's about functions and calculus. So what is calculus? Calculus is the mathematical study of continuous change, but if you have ever studied calculus, you will realize that this definition, while still correct, is a bit misleading. The actual TLDR would look like this. You can input a number into a function and you'll get a different number. In calculus though, you can input a function into a calculus tool and you'll get a different function that will describe some properties of the original function. And so that's the calculus TLDR. But what are the actual tools? Well, they're actually really fun if you like math. For example, there is the integration, which gives you area under the function. I have used it multiple times actually. Like for example, I still think this is a great video calculating the volume of a boat fender, where I use the integration in order to get the area under the function. Then it also gives you derivation. Derivation usually comes before integration, and integration is really often called anti-derivation, when in fact derivation should be called disintegration, would be funnier. But basically derivation gives you a slope at any given point. Also extremely useful. Basically it gives you a function that tells you how the first function changes. That's why I said it's describing some properties of the original function. But wait, if all of these things are this simple, why is calculus thought of as so hard? Calculus has a reputation, a genuine reputation for being really hard, really weird, really basically not intuitive. Well, it's because math reputation is wrong, in general. When there is something online that seems hard, it's not because it is hard, but mostly it is because someone just didn't explain it really well. Quite some time ago, I thought that there were things that were genuinely hard, but then every single time after learning this really hard thing, I always realized that if I knew how to explain it, it would be actually really easy. Yes, integration and derivation, they have their own really weird definitions with limits and then the L'Hoplite's-Lul, which I still cannot pronounce, so let's just use the better epsilon delta. But those definitions are not important. They are if you're proving something, but they should not come first. You should first learn about what calculus actually is, and then why it is a study about continuous change, why epsilon delta is so important. Then should come the definition, but only after understanding what it actually is. So yeah, this video was short, but hopefully fun. Some love animations. If you'd like to support me, I would recommend my Patreon or my Discord. And if you wouldn't like to support me, then first of all, that's really rude. And second of all, I would recommend https://makeit.wtf/charity/ where you can go donate some money to charity and get a slice of pie for yourself. For now, that'll be it. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye!